And has agreed for the first time ever to open up its country to trade. We also made a deal yesterday with the Philippines and Indonesia, which in both cases will be opening up their country. We got a lot of deals cooking, but America is taking in hundreds of billions of dollars like it never has before.
And the president's restructuring trade in America like he's talked about really since he became a public figure. President Trump brokering 3 major trade deals in just a day, vowing America will no longer be ripped off, rebalancing it all, the host of Making Money. On Fox Business, Charles Payne is here, a special to announce shortly. But first things first. 3 trade deals. I think they're significant. Do you want to go over some highlights?
Sure, absolutely. And Japan at the very top of it is huge, absolutely huge. There are 4 major. We wanted Japan, EU, Canada, Mexico, and of course China. We always figure will be last.
And next week will be Monday. They start those talks.
Yeah, well, August 1st is ticking, and I don't think that August 1st number is going to move. So that's, I think, sort of written in stone. Some of these deals are starting to be expedited. And think about this: Japan is in. They have political turmoil right now, but they made this a priority, even though the country is in a lot of problems because they've got to get. They had to get this right. I think the most magnificent thing, whether there's 15%, 19%, 20%, when this whole thing began, Wall Street has sort of said, okay, we'll end up at 10% where we are now. Trump's already made it clear 15% is the lowest. And if he was started here, the stock market will still be down. What we've seen play out is the true art of the deal.
And the market went through the roof yesterday.
Right. That was a great sign. Yesterday, America's stock market through the roof, record highs, and Japan's market up.
So, Charles, give me an idea from the Japan deal. What's changing for the American consumer now? I mean, it's going to be great to see if I work for Chevy, I'll be able to see my cars sold in Japan for the first time. But what
also,
about for us?
$550 billion invested in this country. That money goes into building, businesses, right, that create jobs. That's a lot of money, man. It's huge. Foreign direct investment is like sort of a quasi lifeblood for nations. It's absolutely huge. We also they're going to buy more of our agriculture, particularly rice.
And by the way, the additional money, we have over $100 billion worth of tariff revenue, help balance the budget. It's going to continue to come in. Now, let's talk about Indonesia. It came in late last week. Indonesia,
same thing, 19%. It's obviously not as big of an economy as Japan, but it's setting the tone. Also, what you're going to see, particularly in Asia, and this is why some of these smaller countries like Laos, for instance, people say, well, why do we have 40% there?
Vietnam.
Right. Vietnam. Why do we have such high? Because China has been circumventing our rules by sending trade through those nations. So to sort of triangulate, China box them in so that they can't get around this, right? Hey, you can use all the slave labor you want, and you can use all of the subsidies that you want, but you're not going to be able to get around this. We want fair trade. We believe in free trade, but we want fair trade.
And by the way, I think the EU's got officials here. That could be coming up next. But meanwhile, the Philippines sent their president. You knew a deal was coming. And the Marcos family has a major victory.
Yeah, it's a major victory for them. Again, this is another nation that sort of needed something, to be quite frank with you. And I think this is what Americans don't understand. If you read the Wall Street Journal, the New York Times, and anything else, they always make it seem like every country has leverage over us. No, we have the leverage. We're the market everyone wants to come to. And why let them in free, especially they won't let us trade with them? It's dumb. And ultimately, too, we want those investments. That $550 billion from Japan, we want that money here. We want to bring manufacturing back. And we have to rebuild our industrial base. It is lousy. It is not prepared for a future, particularly a future of conflict.
Right. And a lot of businesses keep saying, there's too much uncertainty. We're getting that certainty. And the market's responding, the NASDAQ especially, and then yesterday overall. The other thing to keep in mind, too, the EU is here with big numbers. You got to think that a deal is going to be announced.
It would be nuts. I know that they're talking about getting it shoring. They've got $30 billion in tariffs ready to go August 1st if we go ahead with this. The time for the threats are over. Right. Now, the time for deal making is here, and I think the EU understands that.
Here's what I understand. The EU is upset with us with our financial regulations. We're upset by the way they treat our tech firms and various different projects, including the VAT tax. Meanwhile, you have Axios says this, by the way, even though the Wall Street Journal not too positive about tariffs, Axios says President Trump shifted the trade war psychology. Financial markets and manufacturers alike have come to accept that double-digit tariffs are the new reality, and they've concluded that it's not so terrible considering it could be worse. And we got this thing called revenue.
Yeah, I know it's amazing to me. Two things. They should have been watching my show because they would have known this already. And also they should have read a book called Art of the Deal. This was always the game plan. And he caught everyone off guard. And I don't understand these elites sitting in the ivory towers. Well, it's going to go this way. It didn't go that way. It went a certain way for a specific reason. If these deals were announced on day one, 15%, 19%, 20%, Wall Street would have lost its mind. Now Japan is cheering. We've got a deal.
Right.
You know, so this is the way it's going to work. And listen, you mentioned the money that's coming in. Over in the next 10 years, that tariff revenue is going to be trillions of dollars.
Absolutely. So listen, making money's got a special called The Unbreakable Investor. Name of your book.
That's right, but it's also live forever and prosper. You want to talk about what's bigger than AI? We're going to be living to be 100, 110, 120. That changes everything. Investment opportunities, of course, how we live. I've got the godfather of longevity coming on. I've got Dr. Oz coming on. I've got some other folks coming on. It's going to be a very important thing. It's going to be beautiful. Live studio audience. Again, the next big thing for humankind is living longer. Now, how do you deal with it? You got to watch the show.
Absolutely. Anthony Robbins wrote a great book of that with Dr. Harari, which we're just talking about longevity. Charles and I plan on living to 130.
Minimum.
We'll find out what the future of cable television will be.
I'm already 120, so, you know.
There you go. You're looking great.
I'm Steve Ducey.
I'm Brian Kilmeade.
And I'm Ainsley Earhart. And click here to subscribe to the Fox News YouTube page to catch our hottest interviews and most compelling analysis.